Hey guys, my name is Krishna Thanki and welcome back to my channel. Also a very happy new year to everyone. And today we're going to do a video on the face mask which was shown by Priyanka Chopra and her mom on this little series called Little Black Book by Harper's Bazaar. Yeah. I wanted to show you guys how it works and I've been using it since ages. I mean, since I can remember. I think I was 13, yeah, 13 or 14, and before that my mom used to use it, and it's kind of the hack in the Indian community, and it's called Uptan or Uptan depending on which place you stay at. And yeah, I'm going to show you. This is the mixture that I created, and it looks like this. It should be this consistency. It should not be too runny. For this, I added 1 teaspoon of yogurt, added a pinch of turmeric into it, and a few drops of lemon or lime, and half a teaspoon of rose water. And then I added wheat flour to make it into a paste, so you can use it accordingly, okay? And yeah, once it's ready, you apply it onto your face and you leave it to dry, or like leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, and yeah, you're done. So yeah, actually this is one variation, and the other one is like adding chickpea flour to it. But what happens is chickpea flour is like too drying for your face, so for all the girls who have like, all the girls and boys who have like oily skin, very oily skin, please use besan or chickpea flour instead of the whole wheat flour. Chickpea flour does not work for me because I have dry skin except for my T-zone, so it's horrible for my skin. So use it accordingly. I mean, use the flour accordingly. So now it is applied, and now we'll have to wait for it to dry, and then we can wash it off. Or what you can do is, like, while it's drying, like it's dried 80%, you can scrub it off in the opposite direction, like upwards, and it will remove like all the dead skin and act as a scrub, and also remove the tiny facial hairs that you have. So yeah. Also, I needed this. I mean, I tried this last week, and I realized how amazing it is, and why I questioned myself, why wasn't I doing this to my skin like every once a week or once 2 weeks. So yeah, last week when I did it, I felt the urge to share it with you guys, so that's why I'm doing this video right now. And yeah, recently my skin has been breaking out so bad. I don't know what it is. I mean, during winters I usually have a lot of dead skin, but this is something unreal. Like, I mean, you guys would have seen by now over here and one over here. I mean, usually I only get one pimple once a month, that's it, and I'm done. And here this time it's like 1 2 3 4 5 and 2 over here, and like tiny spots. I don't know if it's an allergic reaction to anything, or it's just, I don't know. So yeah, once this is dry, I will be back. I'm not taking much of your time, okay? Don't worry, chill. Okay, yeah, so I'll be back. Okay, so now this is 80% dried, and I'm going to take some water and scrub it off in like upward motion or in circular motion, so that my dead skin gets removed. And if it's too harsh for the skin, just add some water, let it soak in, and then remove it. I mean, don't treat your skin like, you know what. I can't get that word right now. Anyway, so I'm going to wash it off and I will be back. Okay, so this is what my skin looks like after I washed my face, and it will instantly brighten up your face. And why? Because you've used yogurt, lemon in it, so, and also turmeric, which helps to brighten the skin. So yeah, and you've used wheat flour to scrub your face, and also rose water, which is like a cherry on top for your skin. So yeah, do this every once a week or once in a month, and your skin will honestly thank you. And yeah, your skin will feel a lot softer, because especially because of the yogurt. And if you want, you can also add honey, which acts as a antibacterial, so which is very good for your skin. And yeah, that's it. Also, one note, that don't leave this mask on for too long, or especially if you've had added like too much of turmeric, because it tends to leave a stain on your skin. So leave it maximum for like 10 to 15 minutes and not more than that. So yeah, this is how my skin looks like after doing the face mask. I mean, after trying out the face mask for you guys. And I hope you guys like it, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon so that you get all the notifications of my new videos that I will be uploading soon. I mean, I hope. Anyways, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and do give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you soon in another video. Okay, bye bye, take care.